Welcome to Cho Adventures. On this video I'm gonna be showing you how I painted this beautiful night full of stars, the moon. They are so shiny. I started by painting dark blue, and then I apply some black at the bottom, and I also apply some of the dark paint with the same brush that I was using at the bottom on the top to make it a little bit darker. On the video it is hard to see the differences, but when you look at it in real life it looks so beautiful, the dark blue and the dark. I am so sorry, I apologize, but I forgot to press the record button while I was painting the moon. But as you can see, it's really easy to do. You just paint the silhouette of the moon. You can do it pointing at any direction that you want, and then you start putting the stars around it. I put the phrase, the darkest night produces the brightest stars. And these can be applied to the darkest night that you go through life. Sometimes you feel as nobody is lending you a helping hand or the support that you expect from people. But on those darkest moments, when you feel as there is no light at all, then you have to dig deep into yourself, into your subconscious mind, and take energy from between you and start applying it to your life, and then you will be that shiny star in the darkest night. And by helping other people, even though you didn't get a helping hand, but you are a kind person that is willing to help others, and you can pass that energy to other people, and they will start to shine at night as well. And that's how you can see the darkest night, that you are the shiniest star that is giving energy to all of the other stars. And when you see that picture, you don't see it at the darkest night. You see the stars that are beautiful, shiny. You see the moon. It's a totally different picture, but you can apply this to your life. So I know we go through tough times, but again, you will get through it and you will become stronger, a better version of yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. And my goal is to inspire you to paint these rocks. Not only to these rocks, but to achieve anything that you want in life. You can do it if you set your mind to it. See yourself reach that goal already, doing what you love to do, what you want to do, and you will achieve it, because life will give it to you. You just have to believe on it. And this is the finished product with the coat of the resin. Give me a thumbs up, and I hope you become a subscriber if you like the content of this channel, and I will see you on the next video.